Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your UX email templates into Mailchimp. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left-hand side. Click on the Create Campaign button. Select email from the options that appear. Now, choose the option to start from scratch or select a pre-designed layout. If you're starting from scratch, click on Regular under the email options. Next, enter your campaign name and select your audience. Moving on, click Design Email to open the email design tools. Here, you'll see different content blocks like text, images, and buttons. To transfer your UX email templates, first, prepare the content in an HTML file format. Open your HTML file in a text editor and copy the relevant sections. Return to Mailchimp's design editor and choose the HTML block from the content options. Paste your copied HTML into the code editor. Ensure that your design appears as intended in the preview window. If needed, make adjustments to the CSS and inline styles to match your original design. Next, add any additional content blocks required for your email campaign. After you finalize the design, click Continue to review to check your settings. Examine the recipient's subject line and any tracking options you've set. Once everything looks good, click Send or schedule your email for later delivery. Your UX email template is now successfully transferred and ready to engage your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.